Need water damage restoration in Gig Harbor? National Restoration Construction is your trusted local answer. National Restoration Construction runs 24/7 emergency response, so Gig Harbor crews answer your call day or night. Our IICRC certified technicians bring industry-leading water damage restoration expertise straight to your Gig Harbor home. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NATIORC 792M6 and insured, giving Gig Harbor homeowners total peace of mind. See the difference water damage restoration makes. National Restoration Construction restores Gig Harbor properties back to their best. Call National Restoration Construction now for a free estimate. Gig Harbor's water damage restoration team at 206-883-3C3